Good morning. This is the most favorite part of my holiday during December and January, because I could experience the rain. If only I could be walking in the rain. It's so nice. Quiet, everybody's asleep, and all you could hear is the sounds of the rain. I love it. And I love my quiet place. It's raining, it's windy, it's cloudy, gloomy, and my neighborhood are all asleep still. What a life in the province. I love it. I slept early last night. I was so tired, but my husband went for a disco. I didn't even bothered. Ah, house quiet. House is quiet. And I will go to my room. I'm gonna show you my children on the floor sleeping. This is what I've missed so much. They're all sleeping on the floor. And my husband is very fast asleep. While I woke up, I'm gonna prepare our breakfast. And on my other room would be my brother sleeping. I'm gonna sneak in. Look at them. They're sleeping on the floor. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not gonna disturb them. I pity on them. They're so tired. Oh. And I'm gonna prepare our breakfast now. I'm gonna cook some of these eggs, beef loop. What should I do? Oh, breakfast. This is what I'm gonna prepare. Is there anything on my cupboard? Nothing. It's empty still. I haven't been to the market to buy something to eat. Later on, when the rain's gone, then I'm going to the market. Oh, I love this. Look. How I wish I were gonna stay here. Oh. Wow. See? Could you hear the sounds of the rain? And I love this because my husband will gonna stay at home. He cannot go out with his friends. It's our family time. Whoa. I don't want to show my face because I just woke. Oh my God, what's this?